Hello, Robbie here from Save Stores in Portland, Oregon at 67th and Foster. And if you're in the market for a new vacuum or a refurbished one, I'm the place to go to. We've got amazing vacuums, whether it be a canister, so if you have mostly bare floor, or an upright to a bagless, to the stick backs that are great for quick cleaning, we've got something for you. But more importantly, we have experts in the field that can help you find the right vacuum, so you don't have to read off boxes. You don't have to guess how the vacuum's gonna work when you get it home, because you'll know right off the bat, trying it here in the store, that you're buying the right vacuum. So give us a call, 503-775-7283, or visit us. It's 67th and Foster across the street from Dutch Brothers. We have a gated parking lot in the back, so you don't have to worry about on-street parking. And we're here to help you out. We're also a warranty service center for every vacuum we sell. We'll see you soon.